What's up guys, Mitch with Panda Motorworks here with our 2019 Jetta GLI, and today we're going to be installing this Mishimoto Intercooler. We're going to be installing this intercooler in the hopes of getting more consistent power by increasing the surface area of the intercooler over the stock unit, so follow along as we get it on. Our install video. If you like this video and want to see more content, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to see what else we got going on, be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Panda Motorworks. And if you're looking to pick up parts like this for your GLI or any other vehicle, be sure to check us out at pandamotorworks.com.